it's Miss Natasha, and today we're going to talk about the We Care Center. What's a We Care Center and what's it for? Well, putting a We Care Center in your classroom can help provide children with a symbolic way of expressing empathy for others. So let's take a look together of what that can accomplish in the classroom for you. Number one, it allows children to have empathetic personal interactions. Children learn empathy through their own experience with how it helps them and others transition from difficult emotion to feelings of acceptance and problem solving. So accepting the moment as it is. Number two, it gives children the opportunity to generate ideas and provide ways to carry out empathetic responses. And three, it strengthens connections for children, especially those who have difficulty managing emotions. So it sounds like a win-win to me. So what does a We Care Center look like? Sounds complicated. How do I do this? I have no idea. That's what I would be thinking, right? But don't worry, it's super simple. A We Care Center can look however you want it to look. So in my example, I used a box and it says We Care on it with a little heart, but you can use a basket, a bucket, or anything else you might find in the classroom that works for you in your class. I also geared my We Care Center towards 4 and 5-year-olds. So there might be some things in here that you wouldn't use in a 2-year-old room, but that's okay because the great thing about a We Care Center is that you can put whatever you want in it. There is no right or wrong way. So let's take a look inside of mine. So if I open my We Care Center, I have the star. So remember, the star helps us take a deep breath. I also put in some Band-Aids. So if someone were to fall and get hurt, then another child could come and help them clean it up and get a little Band-Aid. I put in a little mirror. I have what we call calming cream. So sometimes taking a little bit of cream and rubbing it on, taking a deep breath, maybe taking a smell, can help us feel better. I have some paper, pencils, some I love you rituals. Sometimes when someone's feeling down, you can just do an I love you ritual with them. That can help them feel better. Some magic mist. So that's what I have in my We Care Center. Now remember, you can put anything that works for you. So if you were in a 2-year-old room, you probably wouldn't put a pencil and some paper because writing a nice note to one of your friends is not age appropriate for a 2-year-old. They wouldn't be able to do that. Now, if you had 3s, you could still put paper and pencil because they can draw a nice picture and it can be used safely. So you always want to keep in mind that you want to put stuff that is age appropriate for your classroom, as well as, keeping safety in mind. So the goal of the We Care Center is to teach kids empathy. And it's really hard for a child to understand what that looks like and what that means. So making a visual, like a We Care Center, helps them to understand that we're trying to be there for the person in the moment. Remember, we can't change what's happened. We can't take away the child's upset, but we can be there with them in that moment. So the goal is not to erase what they're going through or try and turn their frown upside down, make them feel get better and forget all about it. The goal is to accept the moment as it is. We can't change it. We know we're upset about it, but we are here in this together. I am here for you, and I'm going to be here for you, and we will get through it together. So I hope that kind of gives you a little bit more insight about the We Care Center. And I hope that you guys try it in your own classroom. Thank you, and I will see you guys next time. Bye for now.